So the unboxing of my attachment from TMG Industrial was pretty horrible. The pallet was all broken. The steel frame was all twisted. The zert was broken. The cylinder was scratched. It took 2 weeks to get here. It went from warehousing to warehouse. Completely lost. It was a nightmare, but it finally got here, and they took care of it, and now we're gonna try this out.
All right, so now the unboxing of this accessory, the attachment for the loader. We purchased that with TMG Industrial. Now I'm just about to change the couplers here. To be quick couplers, because the originals I took off. They're specific to skid steer or whatever it is, and it doesn't go on my loader, and I wanted to stay with the same principle as my Fisher plow. So the connections, I want them to stay uniform to go on the loader. So that's it. So I'm just about to put these guys on, and I'm gonna give it a try to see how this thing grabs some logs. And I've got quite a bit of work to do on the campgrounds. All the trees that the excavator took out, I have to take somewhere else. So got quite a bit of tree grappling to do, and we'll see how it goes. And I'll do some posting on that too. So we're trying out the TMG Industrial attachment. We'll see how this goes.